Díomh agus fáilte a chuirde. Hello and welcome. Welcome to Amhrán na Seachtaine, Song of the Week. Each week on my blog I pick a song and share the lyrics along with a translation and several different versions of the song by different artists. This is a pronunciation guide for you if you would like to learn the song and sing it in Irish. And this week's song is Thugamar Féin on Samhradh Linn. Bábóg na bealtaine maidin an thabhraig. Suas gach cnoc is sias gach glán. Chalíní maisithe bán dheala Gaeilge. Thugamar Féin on Samhradh Linn. On Curfá, or the chorus. Samhradh, Samhradh, bainne na ngabhna. Thugamar Féin on Samhradh Linn. Samhradh buí na nónín Gaeilge. Thugamar Féin on Samhradh Linn. Thugamar Linn é ó Gaeilge Craobhaigh. Thugamar Féin on Samhradh Linn. Samhradh buí ó Lí na Gréine. Thugamar Féin on Samhradh Linn. Cuileann is coll is trom is clairthin. Thugamar Féin on Samhradh Linn. An Fuinseo Gaeilge Bhéal an Átha. Thugamar Féin on Samhradh Linn. Tá an iseog ag seanam sa glúsca sna spéirtha. Áthas de lá is blá ar chrán. Thuach is iseog ag seanam le pléisiúr. Thugamar Féin on Samhradh Linn. A PDF with the lyrics and translation along with the melody and an MP3 of the pronunciation guide are available on my website simplyjacinta.com. Take a D, simplyjacinta.com/blog, and you will find some links to videos of different versions of the songs, or you can do a search on YouTube, Spotify, Amazon Music, etc. Tá seanlas de an freisin de Amhrán na Seachtaine ar YouTube. There's also a playlist of the songs of the week available on YouTube. I'll put the link in the description box below. Má bhain tú soltas, if you enjoyed this or got value, gur míle maith agaibh, thank you very much. Cas Amhrán.